Hey guys, it is Shirley and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another goals video. So we are going to be doing the recap of my August goals. While I'm filming this, it is Labor Day, so happy Labor Day, and I hope y'all are being safe and making right choices and just having a blast. And I hope y'all are ready to get started with this week. Alright, so just a recap of my goals for August was 7 new subscribers, get better lighting, $200 in debt payoff, support 1 new Etsy shop, and support 5 new YouTubers. Alright, so let's just get started. My first one was 7 new subscribers. You guys, I am blown away from all y'all's support of my channel. Not only did I just aim low because I wasn't sure, because July was just up and down on subscribers, but I was at 929 subscribers. I am currently at 979 subscribers. That is 50 subscribers, you guys, and that just blows me away. Like, I am truly appreciated of everybody who has come, who has supported my channel, who has commented on my videos. I absolutely love you guys and thank you for your continuing support. Once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure you go and watch out for that video. But yes, I am super excited about that. And I am actually going to write, because I only did 7 squares, I'm just going to do plus 43. Alright, so number 2 is get better lighting. Now, I try to get lighting. There is some lighting at Best Buy that just came in. It was something new for, like, it was like a vlogging kit or whatever. And it just didn't work out. My boyfriend has it now on his desk, but it just didn't work out. So I've been looking on Amazon, Simply Cami on YouTube. Her stuff is down below. I asked her and she has been more than willing to help me, and I absolutely love her. So looking into those lightings. So hopefully sometime near in the few months in the future sometime that we can do it. Alright, so number 3 is $200 in debt payoff. Now, I do have my updated snowballs, so go ahead and check that out down below. But we only put $25 extra towards debt. Hey, I'm okay with that. It is way better than just putting 0 in it. So that's fine. If it's $25, if it's $10, if it's $200, it's okay, because I am slowly progressing and slowly putting extra money towards it. So it's fine. So I won't be highlighting that. Number 4 is support 1 new Etsy shop, and I did. So we're going to do a little unboxing kinda. So this is from Latruce Papery. I will link her stuff down below. And a lot of people on YouTube has ordered from her. She just started her business. She's been having a YouTube channel. Her name is Cindy. Alright, so I got these. I got a credit card bill sticker, rent bill sticker, and then the student loan bill sticker. And these are super cute. They are not on the plan with me for September because they came in a day late before I posted it. But these will be up on October. I will be using these. And these are just super cute and just really simple. So I will link her stuff down below. So that is my one Etsy shop that I went and support. And of course I support Simply Cami because she's awesome. I get all of my kits and other stickers from her. Alright. Now on to the last one is support 5 new subscribers. I have supported a ton of people this past month. A ton of people. I have gotten to know a lot of people and I'm super happy about that. Alright, so the 5 new subscribers that I am going to highlight today is Debt-Free DD, or Debt-Free D, The Financial Freedom Diary, Budgeting with Allie, Lupita 80, I hope I said that right. And lifestyles to savings. Now, these are all incredible YouTubers. They are a little bit smaller than a lot of the bigger YouTubers, but they are on their way to debt free. A lot of them, I think Budget with Allie does couponing like I do. Absolutely love her. I love watching her videos. Debt free. She is super nice, super nice. She's very encouraging. And also Financial Freedom. I just love her story and her background, and I just love watching her video. And then Lupita, she just got into budgeting a lot. She has other videos, but they weren't budget related, but she just started doing that, and she's just awesome. And then Lifestyles to Savings, I absolutely love her content. She's incredible. I love talking to her and everything. But yeah, so those are the 5 new subscribers. I'm going to link all their channels down below, so make sure you go and subscribe to their channels and go and support them, because I love supporting them and they deserve to be supported back. Alright, so you guys, that is everything for my August goals. So out of 5, I did 3 of them. I got the 7 new subscribers, I supported 1 new Etsy shop, and then I support 5 new YouTubers. So make sure you go and check out my September goals, which hopefully will be coming out the day after this is posted, which is going to be on Tuesday. So I hope y'all have a great day and happy Labor Day, and make sure you go and subscribe down below. Let's get to 1,000 so I can do a giveaway for you guys. But anyways, have a great week, and I will see you guys later. Bye.